Upcoming notified hurricane and earthquake warnings for today. As global weather patterns continue to shift, significant natural events are causing concern in several regions today. Two of the most critical alerts include the notification of an approaching hurricane and potential earthquake activity, raising concerns for the safety and preparedness of affected areas. Hurricane alert. Meteorologists are tracking a powerful hurricane system that has been gaining strength over the Atlantic Ocean. The storm is expected to impact coastal regions of the Caribbean and parts of the southeastern United States later today. Currently, the system is classified as a Category 3 hurricane, with sustained winds of over 110 miles per hour, capable of causing severe damage. Authorities in coastal areas such as Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas have issued warnings, urging residents to prepare for potential evacuations, flooding, and power outages. The National Hurricane Center (NCHC) has emphasized the importance of taking this storm seriously, as it could strengthen into a Category 4 storm by the time it reaches the mainland. Emergency services are on high alert, and disaster response teams are already being mobilized to deal with the aftermath of the storm. Earthquake warnings. In addition to the hurricane alert, seismologists have detected unusual seismic activity in certain regions, prompting earthquake warnings. A major area of concern today is along the Pacific Ring of Fire, particularly in regions like California and parts of Mexico, where earthquake risks are always high due to the shifting tectonic plates. The U.S. Geological Survey (USGS) has issued a precautionary advisory for communities in these areas, urging residents to prepare for the possibility of a moderate to strong earthquake. While it is impossible to predict the exact timing or intensity of an earthquake, recent tremors and increased seismic readings indicate that the risk is elevated. Residents are encouraged to secure heavy furniture, ensure emergency kits are ready, and familiarize themselves with safety procedures, such as finding safe spots indoors in case of a quake. These measures are vital in earthquake-prone areas, where even moderate quakes can lead to significant damage. Preparedness and response. Both natural events underscore the need for ongoing preparedness in regions prone to natural disasters. Government agencies and local authorities have issued reminders for residents